Hello, we have another Casio watch we're going to unbox today. An interesting watch that I think will be cool. There's the manual for it. We'll set that off to the side. A little flap here. Huh. What do we got here? That's a little wooden box. Well, that's cool. Pro Trek Casio. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Comes with all the little advertising stuff on there. And there's the watch. How about that? Little box. That's so cool. So here's the watch itself. Let's see if it's child-proof or not. There we go. Now this thing's supposed to have a barometer, compass, altimeter, and everything. Yeah, it's supposed to have everything going on with it. Tell you the temperature and everything. It's in Celsius, 24.9 Celsius. Compass. Let's see if it can tell me if I'm, yeah, look at there. It's trying to figure it out. I'm sure there's more to it. There's the sensor for all the temperature and things like that. That does not turn. That's stationary. That does not spin. Nice heavy-duty band. I like that. There's the back of it. And this is the model number 3415. I'll leave the description in the description. So there you go. Another Casio watch. Oh, and it's solar powered too. Tough solar charging. So yeah, pretty neat. Thanks for watching.